If your dream is to get into BITS Pilani, if you want to score above 300, then you cannot underestimate this section. We are talking about logical reasoning and English section. If you score more and maximum marks in LR and English section, definitely you can achieve your dream. So we are going to learn about the strategy, how we can actually score more than 80-85 marks in this section, so that we can ensure good marks in our BITSAT examination. Watch this video from beginning till the end so that you do not miss out on any important point. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Now, before we move forward, here is a small and special task for you. You have to achieve the target of 200 likes. So, like this video as much as you can, because we are going to bring top LR and English 50 questions for your BITSAT examination, which are most expected. And these questions are really important for your exam. So, if you want it, then please help us achieve this target. Now, let's learn about the importance of LR and English section in BITSAT examination. As we know, LR and English constitutes approximately 90 marks, which is around 1/4 of the examination. So, it becomes really important section. LR constitutes 20 questions, whereas English proficiency consists of 10 questions. Now, we must understand that this can be our rank booster section, because in this there is a less competition, but here is output is very high. This particular section is very fast to solve. If we can spend some less time in this, but we can actually gain highest marks out of this section. So it is kind of high ROI section which can actually push our overall score. So here is something really important, that we need to master this section, and to help you master this section, we have brought LR and English complete course. Now in this last 10 to 12 days, this course is highly helpful in helping you to boost your LR and English section score. Now this is actually available in two versions. Firstly, for all the type of students, and secondly, for those students who face difficulty in speaking Hindi. So for non-Hindi speaking students, there is another batch. So content wise, both the batches are same only. Course fees is just rupees 1699. Here is a catch. There is a special discount coupon code worth rupees 700 off. After applying that, it would be just rupees 999. So in 999, you are getting the most relevant LR and English course ever on YouTube. So here you have to just check description box for the complete details and also for the coupon code. Remember that the coupon code is valid just for today. So don't wait. Go fast and get yourself registered and enrolled, so that you can start practicing LR and English questions. You can learn about the short tricks, understand about the patterns, how to crack the grammar based, rules based questions. So all these stuffs you are getting into this particular course. So don't miss out on this, because this has been exclusively designed by the team of experienced BITSians and for the BITSians themselves. Now, if you have any query, you can always call us on 8839737146. Now, let's learn about the LR strategy. What is the most important thing? So here, some of the most asked topics are figure matrix, series based questions, miscellaneous. It includes coding and decoding and syllogism types questions. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? We have to solve them smart. What we should focus on? Master pattern based questions. Now remember that these 5 or 6 pattern type questions actually constitutes of 80% of LR type questions. Also practice diagramming, when and syllogisms to save your time. What could be your practice resources? Now we have already learnt about 10Q challenge LR and English based course, which is highly relevant for your LR and English preparation. Now also you can solve various mock tests. Mock tests can also be found on our website 10qchallenge.in. Our target should be to solve 20 questions within first 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's move on to English strategy. Now as we have mastered LR strategy, our job is to master English as well, so as to boost our overall score. In English, most asked topics are synonyms, synonyms, fill in the blanks, grammar and vocab based, also sentence improvement as well as rearrangement, plus reading comprehension. If we master all these topics, definitely we are bound to score really well in our English section as well. What are the preparation tips? So you must revise 1000 high frequency words. Either you can choose Barron's or Word Power Made Easy. Both are really good books and also highly helpful. Also do solve 5 questions daily from each section. Also focus on grammar rules, especially prepositions, tenses, subject and verb agreement. Plus, you must target solving 10 questions in under 5 to 10 minutes. if you achieve this target, definitely nobody can stop you from scoring really well in both the sections, LR as well as English. Now, what are the final tips and what should be our daily routine? See, our daily plan should be like 30 minutes maximum. 15 minutes should be devoted to English vocabulary and grammar, and 15 minutes LR based practice, topic wise or mocks. So here we are supposed to do all these things. Now, as we know, if the time remaining is less, we can also spend some of the time like 30 minutes to 60 minutes on this section dedicatedly, so that we can fetch some really good score out of this section. You can use flashcards or short notes. Short notes are also available on our website, thankyouchallenge.in. So in the description box given below, details are provided. So do check them out, and don't forget to enroll in our courses for your BITSAT preparation. Also attempt full length mocks to develop speed. This becomes a really important task at this stage, that you have to develop speed, and for that purpose practicing mock test becomes very essential task. Also focus on speed plus accuracy. These are not time consuming, so you must maximize score here. So this is really important section, and this can actually help you to boost your overall score and help you in cracking your BITSAT examination. Hopefully you have understood the secret strategy to score 80 to 85 plus marks in your LR and English section, as well as to score highest marks in your BITSAT examination overall. Now, I hope that this video was very helpful in understanding those secret things that can actually help you in cracking the BITSAT exam. Let's see you in the upcoming videos. Jai Hind, thank you, God bless you.